We all love a sugary treat now and then, but have you ever stopped to wonder just how much sugar is in your favorite drink? Back in the 18th century, sugar was a luxury. So rare and expensive, it was nicknamed white gold. Fast forward to today, and sugar is everywhere. The average American consumes more than 94 grams of sugar daily, nearly twice the recommended amount. And one of the biggest culprits? Sugary drinks like Coca-Cola. But what if Coke wasn't just a treat? What if it was the only thing you drank? Let's find out. The story of Coca-Cola begins in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia, where a pharmacist named Dr. John S. Pemberton created the original recipe. Originally marketed as a medicinal tonic, the drink contained a mix of coca leaf extract, caffeine, and other ingredients. Back then, it was sold for just 5 cents a glass. Today, Coca-Cola is a global empire. More than 1.9 billion servings are sold every single day, making it one of the most consumed beverages on Earth. But what's actually in this fizzy drink that makes it so addictive? What's inside a can of Coke? Let's break it down. 1. Sugar. Each 12-ounce can contains 39 grams, about 10 teaspoons of sugar. 2. Caffeine. This stimulant gives you a quick energy boost but can cause dependency over time. 3. Phosphoric acid adds tanginess but contributes to tooth enamel erosion. 4. Caramel coloring. While it gives Coke its iconic color, some studies link this additive to potential health risks. Coke also contains a mix of secret ingredients, including essential oils like orange and nutmeg. And while the drink originally contained traces of cocaine, that was removed in 1903. Sugar overload. How much is too much? Sugar is one of the main reasons Coke is so popular and so controversial. Let's put it into perspective. A 12-ounce can of Coke has 39 grams of sugar, almost your daily limit. A 7-Eleven Big Gulp contains 91 grams, more than double the recommended intake. And the infamous Team Gulp, a staggering 415 grams of sugar, or about 10 cans of Coke in one drink. These numbers are shocking, but what happens if Coke becomes your only source of hydration? The immediate effects of drinking. Only Coke. The first thing you'd notice is the effect on your teeth. The combination of sugar and acid in Coke would start to erode your enamel, leading to cavities and tooth decay. Next, the sugar rush. Each can cause a spike in your blood sugar levels, followed by a crash that leaves you craving more. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, increasing your risk of type 2 diabetes. And don't forget dehydration. While Coke is a liquid, the caffeine acts as a diuretic, meaning it makes your body lose water faster than it can replenish it. Drinking Coke every day doesn't just harm your teeth. It wreaks havoc on your entire body. Weight gain. Drinking multiple cans of Coke daily adds hundreds of empty calories, leading to rapid weight gain. One study showed sugary drinks contribute to 20% of America's obesity epidemic. Liver damage. The high fructose corn syrup in Coke is stored as fat in your liver, increasing your risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Heart problems. Regular Coke consumption raises your risk of high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, and heart disease. In extreme cases, a Coke-only diet could even lead to hospitalization. One woman who drank 2 liters of soda daily for 16 years suffered from arrhythmia, potassium deficiency, and fainting spells. The science behind addiction, Coke doesn't just taste good. It's designed to keep you hooked. The sugar and caffeine trigger a dopamine release in your brain, the same feel-good chemical linked to addiction. Over time, this creates a dependency. Studies show that sugary drinks can rewire the brain's reward system, making you crave more even when you know it's unhealthy. Fighting back. Governments around the world are taking steps to reduce sugar consumption. The UK introduced a sugar tax in 2018, prompting companies to reformulate their drinks with less sugar. As a result, the sugar content in some sodas dropped by 50%. Meanwhile, the sugar industry spent $54 million lobbying in the US over the past decade to protect its profits. Critics argue that the fight against sugar is as much about politics as it is about public health. So what can we learn from all this? While the occasional Coke is fine, making it your only drink can lead to serious health problems, from weight gain to heart disease. If you're looking for a healthier lifestyle, start by cutting back on sugary drinks. Your body will thank you. How much soda do you drink in a day? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Check out our next video, What Happens to Your Body When You Quit Sugar? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.